What's up? What's up? It's your boy Corey B. So today, everybody keeps, man, people are all over the place with the stock market right now, trying to figure out what's going on and what they should do, and people are selling like crazy. We are in a bear market. We've been there since the first quarter, and it's just, it's nothing to concern yourself about unless you're not a serious investor. If you're a serious investor, this is your time. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Be a bull in a bear market. That's what you have to do. You have to be willing to be a bull in a bear. Okay, the thing is while things are selling off, okay, people are selling things off, and people are selling things off for all different, like a whole wide spectrum of reasons and stuff. And if you've invested, if you've done your research, you've done your diligence, and you know what you invested in, do you know what you bought into? Because you need to know what you bought into. You know, and Warren Buffett, you know, a while back he gave this whole interview, and it was like a press conference type deal, and he gave this whole conference, and he was talking about how, you know, compared it to when you buy a farm. Okay, you buy a farm. You buy a farm, you expect a certain yield. You have people working this farm. You have certain quarterly projections, right? So you expect certain things to happen. Okay, but the stock market doesn't work that way. And the farm, the similar thing to a farm and a stock market is the stock market, it may not always produce what you need because it's based on businesses. So if it doesn't produce what you need, do you drop it? If the farm doesn't yield the crops this season that you expected it to yield, are you going to drop it? Are you going to take a farm, you buy it for X amount of dollars. You buy a farm, the yields come up short. Do you drop it, or do you look towards the future of its potential? So people fail to realize that what they're buying, when they're buying, because you buy a farm, you're buying more than just a farm. It's a business. Because if you were just buying a house, you'd buy a house. If you're buying a farm, you're buying a business. Now, people don't realize that that's what they're doing when they buy into the stock market. You buy into the stock market, you're not just buying these, shares. They're actual pieces of a company, a percentage of that company. And if that company falls short of its yield now, does it have potential to make up for it in the future? Does it? If it has potential to make up for it this is how the rich get richer. Oh my gosh, I've had this conversation in person with friends and family, and several of them I can't seem to get them to understand, and it bums me out when they miss it, because I love people, I care about people, I want to see people win. I do. Okay, but the thing is people look at it like this, especially people who struggle. People who are, I don't know, they're struggling, but not just struggling, but they tend to blame the man for their struggle. Okay, so people who are struggling and blame the man, they tend to have this mentality of, oh, the stock market's tanking, this is so cool, this is so funny, ha ha ha, because now all those big investment corps and those big, hedge funds, they're finally going to get theirs. No, they're not. That's rare. It's rare when a big investment firm or hedge fund tanks, because they have brilliant people watching these things, and they know when to and not to buy. And that's what you have to do, is know when to buy and when not to buy. When the stock is skyrocketing, you have missed your chance. You have missed your chance. How many people tried? Oh my gosh, this is not the stock market, but it's a similar concept. How many people tried to get in on Doge? Doge was nothing. And everybody said, oh, it's stupid, it's ridiculous, it was stupid, it was a meme. This is exactly why Musk jumped on the bandwagon, because Musk thought it was funny. He flat out said it in several times. He joked about, he's like, life loves irony. And the irony of something that's a meme, that's a joke, to be successful, he's like, how can we not back this? Just because it just got a probability of, okay, I can't vouch for the merit behind that. It's an interesting stance. And he believed in it, and, you know, my point is how many people tried to jump on Doge when Musk jumped on the bandwagon. Musk was plugging it everywhere, and everybody was like, oh, well, if Musk is backing it, you missed your mark. If it's already on the rise, you're done. It's too late. People tried to buy into Bitcoin when Bitcoin was up here. When it was down here, they were like, I don't know. And then, oh, can I get in now? It's too late. Doesn't mean people can't still make money on Bitcoin. Doesn't mean people can't make money on crypto. Doesn't mean people can't make money on the stock market, because you absolutely can. But to think you should buy when it's like the popular thing to do, no, you buy when everyone's not buying. You buy. One of the great phrases by the Oracle of Omaha himself: be greedy when others are scared. Which, isn't that kind of what I keep saying? I keep saying be a bull in a bear market. You buy when they sell. He says be greedy when they're scared. Why do people sell? Because they're scared. Their stock market starts going down. They get nervous, they panic, they freak out, they get scared. They dump and run. While they're dumping and running, you scoop in and take yours. You can always buy when it's going up. You can. And you can still make money when it's on the climb. But you can make the most money when it's still on the downturn. When that stock is tanking and everybody sell. That's when you capitalize. I'm asking you. I'm urging you. Get greedy. Doesn't make you a bad person. So we look at it, we're like, oh, greedy, that sounds like such a bad... It's a figure of speech. Don't be greedy. You ain't gotta try to have all the money in the world. You know, I'm sharing this information with you. Buffett shared it. I'm sharing it. 100 other people before me have shared this information. Just too many people keep missing this concept, and I feel the need to share again. I've shared this before. This ain't the first time I'm telling you. The point is like, it doesn't make you a bad person because you're capitalizing on opportunity. The reality is, if I had 1 billion subscribers and those 1 billion people who were subscribing, speaking of which, you should be subscribed if you're not already. And make sure and ding that bell. Get your notifications, because I got so much more coming for you. But if I had 1 billion subscribers and all of you took my advice, we wouldn't be in a bear market right now. Because I told y'all not to sell. Told y'all not to sell. So, it's not greedy in a bad sense, like you're being ugly and trying to take other people down. I'm trying to lift people up. Just not everybody wants to listen. So those who choose not to listen, they're on their own. That doesn't mean I know everything. That just means I'm trying to tell you something. I'm trying to educate you. So if you're willing to absorb this, soak it in, marinate on this for a minute, go do something good. Go win today. That stock that you've been watching, the stock that you already bought into, that you see, whew, oh man, I'm down 20%. I'm down 30. I'm down 45. Is the company still good? Is it still good? You still believe in it? Buy more. Buy more. Yeah. Allegami was, that company was around for a good hot minute. And at one time it peaked I think it was like $80 a share, something like that. It peaked around $80 a share. And then it slowly took this turn. It just kept going down. Buffett got in. Now it's trading over $100 a share. This is trading at $100 a share. It was one of his biggest investments during the pandemic. Pay attention. Watch what's happening. Watch what's trending. Watch what's fluctuating and why is it fluctuating. Be greedy while they're scared. Alright, like I said, y'all stay tuned. Leave your comments below. Let's talk about it. Y'all got something you want me to look into? Y'all got some tips y'all think, hey, everybody else could look into this? Comment below. Y'all know how to hit me up. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, beingcoreybayless.com. Alright, I'm your boy. I'm out.